Hello friends, see there are 4 partners A, B, C and D in a partnership firm. Now D wants to retire from the firm and his profit share will be taken by A, B and C. Means A, B and C are going to gain. In return, they will compensate D in the form of goodwill. And this goodwill will be paid to D in the gaining ratio. That is what we are going to discuss here in this video. Welcome to VS Commerce Learning. Let us discuss the concept of gaining ratio and how should we calculate it. See, what is gaining ratio? Gaining ratio is the ratio in which one or more partners gain profit share. Here it is talking about the remaining partners because they are going to gain as a result of sacrificed profit shares by one or more partners of the firm. Sacrificed profit shares means by partners who are leaving the firm. So, gaining ratio is the ratio in which one or more partners gain profit share as a result of sacrificed profit share by one or more partners of the firm. And when it is calculated at the time of retirement or death of a partner. And if we talk about its formula, then it can be calculated as gaining ratio equals to new ratio minus old ratio, or gain profit share is new profit share minus old profit share. Why is it calculated? Means why gaining ratio is calculated. It is calculated to record the amount of compensation that the gaining partner should pay to the sacrificing partner, because compensation that is paid in the form of goodwill to the sacrificing or retiring partner is paid in the form of goodwill, and that is paid in the gaining ratio. There can be 3 situations or 3 possibilities relating to the calculation of gaining ratio. First one is when there is no agreement or no other information is given, means nothing is given in agreement as how the remaining partners will take or share the outgoing partner's share after his retirement. Then profit sharing ratio is the gaining ratio, means whatever is left is the gaining ratio of the remaining partners. See, first question is like A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3:2. What is the gaining ratio if C retires? Say A 4:3:2 is the ratio of 3 partners A, B and C. Now if C retires, then gaining ratio will be the, as see in this question no other information is given that how remaining partners will share outgoing partners share. So here gaining ratio will be the remaining ratio. So ratio of A and B will be 4:3. Now if B retires, say 4:3:2 is the ratio. Now if B retires, remaining ratio is 4:2. And that is the gaining ratio of A and C, 4:2. And if A retires, then gaining ratio of B and C will be 3:2. See if question is given like A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 1/2, 3/10, 1/5. Calculate the gaining ratio of remaining partners when A retires. So it will be calculated as same as before, but we have to make the denominators same. See, A, B and C, it is given as 1/2, 3/10, 1/5. So making their denominators equal, we get this. So this is their ratio. And now if A retires, then gaining ratio of B and C will be 3:2. And second situation is when new ratio and old ratio both are given, then we will just apply the formula. That is gaining ratio equals to new ratio minus old ratio. See, here question is A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:2. B retires. Now we cannot calculate it as we calculated it earlier. A and C decides to share profits in the ratio of 2:1. So this is their new ratio after retirement of B, and this is their old ratio. So gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So A's gaining ratio is, here B is retiring, so A's gaining ratio is new ratio, that is 2/3, minus old ratio, that is 4/9. 6 minus 4, this is 2/9. And C's gaining ratio is one by 3 new ratio minus old ratio, that is 2/9, minus this is 1/9. So gaining ratio of A and C is 2:1. Now third situation is when continuing partners takes outgoing partners share in some fraction or agreed ratio. See here in this question. So in this situation, what do? We calculate it according to the situation. See, A, B, and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3:2. Now C retires. A takes 4/9 of C's share and balance is taken by B. What is gaining ratio? See, how shall we calculate it? A, B, and C's old ratio is 4:3:2. A's share is 4/9. B's share is 3/9 and C's share is 2/9. And who is retiring? C. C's share is 2/9. And 4/9 of C's share will be taken by A. So A takes 4/9 of 2/9. That is 8/81. And the remaining share is taken by B. Here it is written balance is taken by B. So remaining share is taken by B. Remaining share is 2/9 minus 8/81. See, this much is taken by A and C's share is this. So remaining share is 10/81. So this will be taken by B. So A's gaining ratio is 8/81 and B's share is 10/81. So gaining ratio equals to gaining ratio of A and B is 8/81 is to 10/81. And if we simplify it, this is 4:5 is the gaining ratio of A and B. So we learned the concept of gaining ratio. How should we calculate it? There are three possibilities or three situations. If you recall it, first one is when there is no agreement, and in second, both new ratio and new ratio and old ratio both are given. So we apply the formula. And third one is if retiring partner's share is taken by remaining partners in some fraction of agreed ratio. Thank you.